Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Well, here we are. I'm cooking. Got the pitch bitch running. And what a good bitch she is. She's running like a good bitch. This has been going for about, I don't know, close to 4 hours. Yeah, I didn't show the beginning. Well, I wasn't going to plan on making a cooking video, and this is just what I'm doing. But I had to show it because, you know, you'll see why. So right now, the meat is 141.8. Reflections. Pit set at 250, running at 245. Oh, we got steamy. Let's get steamy first, bitches. Hey, fucking Larry. Hey, my beer has a fucking tinfoil beer condom on it. Steam. Woo, woo. So let's crack open. Steam whistle Pilsner. Right, bitches. Yeah. Fucking Larry left some beers behind. Well, guess what? He ain't fucking left behind now. Sorry, buddy. You have to bring more next time. Woo! So I got a piece of pork in here. A picnic shoulder. And that was donated from Paul. Paul donated that from Paul's Q. And the rub that we're using on there, that was sent to me by Brad Pickersgill in Australia. This is more BBQ Mafia. This is the one we used on the chicken 2 chickens ago. It's the last one we used, La Familia. This one is the Enforcer. So we got this picnic shoulder. Let's take a look at her. There you go. Oh, some kind of fucking scum buildup. What is that all about? Was that blood puking out? Go away, scum. Shoot. Fuck that. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna give her a spritzer root. So yeah, this is an 8-pound picnic roast. As I said, and this is just water. I was gonna do some apple cider vinegar. Fuck it. And there you go. I gotta wrap this. Well, I'm gonna put it in a container and cover it in foil. It's about 20 more degrees. This won't be ready till about midnight. That's my guess. Right around midnight. We'll get some potatoes on here too later on and do some baked potatoes. But right now, yeah, that's what we got going on, bitches. Woo! Right on. Cheers, big ears. It's a beautiful day. Hey, it was plus 3 degrees fucking last night. Fucking crazy for this time of year. But yeah. Soon be time to cut the fucking lawn, eh? Alright, bitches. Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! It's like 1:30 in the fucking morning. I pulled this picnic roast off about midnight, so it's been here for about 1.5 hours. She's cooling down. I took it off at 204, now down to 160. Can you see that? 160. So I'm gonna rip it apart. My weed high is gone, but I'm still kind of drunk. All right, bitches. Oh yeah, I need to get a thingamajigabobber. I'll be back. Okay, let's get rid of this. Goodbye. Off. Okay, I'll be back. I'm unprepared. Okay, such a small work area. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but still got beer. Okay, beer can go over here. Behind. Okay. I haven't looked at this. I don't know what it looks like since I've covered it. Well, it looks like that. Fuck yeah. Right on. Woo! Smells awesome. I just slide right. Fuck it out. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah. Nice. Alright. Let's rip it apart. My big pet peeve with picnic shoulder roast is so much connective tissue. The skin that can just fuck off. But it is a pain. So I'm going to rip this apart and then we'll come back. I hope you find that acceptable. If not, fuck off. But before you fuck off, blow me. Woo! Come on now, look at that. Hey. Look at that fucking bone, eh? Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty fucking good. Right fucking there, I tell you what. Oh, look at that, eh? Look at that. Look at that. Have yourself a looky loo. Oh, wait. Should we taste that? Give her a taste-a-roo, bitcharoo. Oh, fuck me. That's fucking good. I didn't want to muck up my hands yet, because I still got something to do. Bah! Oh well, that's fucking good. Woo! Thank you, Paul. Paul from Paul's Q. He brought that over. Woo! Bitchy! Okay. Where's paper towel? Got one. Okay. Told you, I didn't want to get my hands mucky yet. Alright, bitches. Fuck, that's good. I like that. Water dripping everywhere from the condensation. Pretty fancy fucking ordeal we got going on, eh? Woo! Oh, that's what I was looking for, my beer. Where the fuck's my beer? It's behind me. Cheers, big ears. We'll be back. I'll rip this apart and we're gonna eat. Like I say, it wasn't about cooking another piece of pork. How many fucking pork videos do I have? Don't worry, I will make more. This is just what's going on in Bastard Land at 1:30 in the morning. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Watch out, we got the glove on. We get some fucking dry fisting action. I wouldn't suggest going for that. Just sounds horrendous to me. We'll be back. And no crack. Cheers, big ears. Alright, bitches. Woo! Just after 2 a.m. My baked potatoes got some butter on it. I, what do you call it? Browned up a bun. The meat is off. I went out, picked up some Hugo from the garden there. Hugo Chives. So we'll throw some Chives on there. Well, we need some salt on there too, right? Throw some sea salt in there. Where are you, sea salt? There you go. A little bit of sea salt. As everybody knows, a potato needs some fucking salt. Throw a bit of pepper in there. Then we'll get out the old Gay Lee. Gay Lee. Sour cream, bitches. Gay Lee is good. Actually, no name sour cream is good. The Walmart sour cream, the fucking horrible value, not the great value, that stuff is fucking shit. I will not buy that fucking stuff. I wouldn't eat it if it was free. Something about it. Not all sour creams are created equally. Fuck, hey, look at that. 2 pieces of Royal Dalton tonight. Getting pretty fucking funky around here. 2 pieces of Royal Dalton, 1 piece of Corningware, and 2 pieces of Syracuse. Didn't know I was an expert on China, did you? And I don't mean China. You know, like Fucknut says. A little more Hugo in there. Chavez. Woo! Fuck yeah. Chives are good. Alright, so I'm just gonna... Oh, I got some I done mustard too. That's from Norway. Hey, don't worry, Shatil, I still got it, buddy. That's the thing. I have so many mustards, I can't use them all at once. So, we're gonna put some mustard on there, we're gonna put some pork on a bun, and we're gonna eat a fucking baked potato, and since it's like after 2 a.m., and I have to go out in the morning, no more beer. We got the Mexican Coca-Cola, bitches. So let's put this together, and I'll be back. Woo! Alright, bitches, we're ready to rock. Potatoes loaded. This is here, got some mustard there. Vault girls there, vault boys there, the other vault boys there, another one there, another one there, another one there. Beer is good. Beer is done for the day. We got some Mexican Coca-Cola though. Woo! Cheers, big airs. RTFO. Fuck, that's good. All right. Pork, thanks to Paul's Cube. The rub, thanks to Brad Pickersgill. Sent the Barbecue Mafia. Hey, the mustard. Shatil from Norway. Potato, grocery store. Coca-Cola, Mexico. Woo! All right, bitches. And, hey, see, when you pick up, whether it's a hamburger or a sandwich, do you eat it upside down like a fucktard? Or do you eat it the proper way? Do you pick it up and go, ooh, eat it like that so the fucking top is on the bottom? If you do, oh sorry, the top is on the bottom. If you do, well, you're a fucktard. It's on the plate like that, you pick it up and hold it right side up, bitches. Woo! Let's try this out. Fuck me. That's fucking great. Oh yeah. Yeah. What else do you do on a fucking Monday night? Cook this and eat. I was supposed to do this a while back. Oh well. I did it today. Fuck, that's good. Toasted bun. Gotta toast your bun. If you have the opportunity. If you don't have the opportunity, well, then you can't do it, right? Fuck me. Alright. That's fucking good. I should take my medicine. Forgot about that. That's really good. Let's see what's going on with our fucking baked potato, eh? Woo! Potato, sour cream, and Hugo Chavez. Gotta fucking love that, eh? Fuck yeah. That's good. And butter. Real butter. No plastic. Fuck, that's good too. Fuck. Drop it, bitch. What else is new? I always drop shit. Alright, bitches. Get in there. Bitchy! Eat that too. Shoo that away. Eat this too. Woo! Alright, bitches. Make yourself a fucking picnic roast. And do this. It's fucking good. Right on. And get some Mexican Coca-Cola. That's good shit too. Woo. RTFO. I'm gonna watch a movie and go to bed. Get up. Cause I'm getting a ride to the beer store, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup. No tea tonight. Alright. Arrivederci Roma, take it easy, huh? Piano piano. Boom.